Dear students, in the previous class we were doing section 1, the Phastos discs. So we have done from page number 32. So we have seen that scientists, they have finally solved a mystery which has puzzled archaeologists and other scholars for about how much years? 100 years. So in the year 1908, archaeologists digging at site along the southern shore of the Greek island of Crete near the palace of Phastos discovered a 4,000-year-old clay disc that was having a mysterious marking and pictures printed on it, and it was in a spiral design. So they were trying from 100 years to solve that mystery, but they could not solve, and suddenly during 1908 they solved the mystery. Scientists and linguists, they solve the mystery, whatever it is written on the Phastos discs. So today we will continue from page number 33. So according to reports, Dr. Gareth Owens, a linguist researcher with the Technological Educational Institute of Crete, has apparently been successful in identifying keywords on the discs. He has achieved this after 6 years of research, assisted by John Coleman, professor of phonetics at Oxford. The keywords are, so here, according to whom? According to Dr. Gareth Owens report. Okay, he was a linguist researcher with what? With the Technological Educational Institute of Crete. So he has been apparently successful. Successful what? For identifying the keyword that was on the discs. Okay, he was trying from 6 years, and after 6 years he was achieved. He was successful to identify the keyword. Along with whom? Along with the researcher John Coleman. He was also a researcher of professor of phonetics from Oxford. So some of the keywords are given. Here seen first one, Icureza. That means, which means pregnant mother. This Iqekurza, this is written in the discs, and this means pregnant mother or goddess. Ique, which mean mother and goddess, and which appear repeatedly on the discs. Again, next keyword is given Iqepaje or Iqephae, which may mean shining mother or goddess. So Dr. Owens believed that the discs contain a prayer. That means a prayer. These are the prayer of Menon, mother of goddess. Okay, so these are the prayers that was in the discs. So it is also known that Menons and other ancient Mediterranean cultures worship god and goddess. So this breakthrough here, breakthrough means a sudden, okay, a dramatic and important discovery or development. So this breakthrough has given scientists like whom? Like Dr. Owens. They have gaining a confidence for what? For revealing. Okay, they will soon be able to revealing the entire mystery that was having on the Phastos discs. Whatever is there on the Phastos discs. So see the discs, it is given. Dr. Gareth Owens discovered a keyword mark in the discs which served as a basic for his translation of what he believes is a prayer too. So next in the place, you see the place of Phastos in northeastern Crete, where the disc was discovered in 1900. So these are the things. So next page, you see page number 34. Here, what are the interesting fact about the Phastos discs? So this Phastos discs, it was discovered in the year 1908 at an archaeological site near the place of Phastos in the Greek island of Crete, and it is believed to have been made 4,000 years ago, about 1700 BC. So the disc is so important because it is from Menon, Crete, the first literate civilization in Europe. So it is made of what? Fried clay of a type not found in the area. So this Phastos discs was made of what? Fired clay. Clay means that which are made mud pot and all this. And found in the area in which the disc was discovered, leading to the conclusion that it was not made in Crete, although it was found there. It measures 6 inch, that means 15 centimeter in diameter, and is covered on both sides with inscription and 241 pictures that have been stamped there with punches made of either wood or ivory. This led John Chadwick, a professor of Greek at the University of Cambridge in England and a world-famous expert on Cretan script, to describe it as the world's first typewritten document, because the picture and inscription have been arranged in a spiral design on the face of the discs. Here, Dr. Gareth Owens has described it as a world's first CD-ROM. So CD-ROM you have got on maybe in your computer subject, yes or no? So this Gareth Owen, he had described this as the world's first CD-ROM. So the disc is on a display and the archaeological museum in Irkalion, Crete, along with other Minoan treasures. So I hope students you are clear with the chapter. Please go through the explanation, whatever I have taught you, and go through the word meaning that is given in each ending of your pages in the chapter. Okay, so please go through it and do the assignment as per it is instructed. If you have any doubt regarding the explanations and the assignment, you can get back to me as per the schedule mentioned. Thank you.